Hello guys, welcome to eMathEdge. My name is David Akwashki and I'm here to help you master mathematics and give you the edge you need to succeed in your exams. Here at eMathEdge, I will practically be solving mathematics past questions for senior school examinations where I will be breaking down the whole process into simple, easy to understand steps. I actually understand that preparing for math exams can really be hectic, but understanding how to approach these questions, most especially the AC part, will ease you a whole lot of stress. And that is what this platform is designed to do for you. Each video is designed to boost your confidence and make math exam feel less like a mystery, but more like a basic thing you can conquer. So with that being said, let's get started. So here we have a solved problem to solve, and the question said, simplify the root of 18 plus the root of 50 all over the root of 8 minus the root of 2. So what we are expected to do is to simplify the solve to its simplest form. So let's write it down. We have solution and we have the root of 18 plus the root of 50, right? All over the root of 8 minus the root of 2. So the root of 18 is a large surd, the root of 50 is a large surd, so also is the root of 8. It can be broken down or simplified further except for the root of 2. So what we are going to do is to break down or to simplify this large surd one after the other to its simplest form. Mind you, the question said simplify, so we are simplifying it or breaking it down to its simplest form. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to give us, now this is the root of 18, right? If you are to split this root 18, you can have it to be the same thing as the root of 2 multiplied by 9, right? Mind you, 2 multiplied by 9 is going to give us 18. So it is not bad if we have it to be the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 9. Okay, so this is another form to also write the root of 2 multiplied by 9. We write it as this. So let's go ahead and put it down to make it more clearer. So the root of 18 is going to give us the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 9. What do we have here? Addition, right? So we have it here, and simplifying the root of 50, we are going to have the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 25, right? 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. So the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 25 will give us the root of 50. All over. Now, this is the root of 8. So how do we simplify it? We are going to have it to be the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 4, right? Mind you, the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 4 will give us the root of 8, all minus the root of 2, which we have here. Now we've succeeded in breaking this complex or big surds into simpler forms. So the next thing we are going to do is to simplify further. And how do we simplify further? Now looking at this, we have 9 to be a perfect square, right? Such that if you are to obtain or to find the root of 9, you are going to have it to be a single value, right? So also we have 25 to be a perfect square, which if you are to find the root of 25, you are going to have a single value, which is 5. So also is the root of 4. So let's go ahead and simplify that further, such that we are going to have the root of 2, which is this, right? Multiply by, now what is the root of 9, which is a perfect square? Is going to give us 3, plus the root of 2, which is this, multiplied by what is the root of 25, which happens to be a perfect square, is going to give us 5. All over the root of 2 multiplied by what is the root of 4 is going to give us 2 minus the root of 2. The root of 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us a single value to be 3 root 2 plus the root of 2 multiplied by 5 is going to give us a single value, which is 5 root 2. And coming down to the denominator, which is this, we are going to have it to be the root of 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2 root 2, right? Minus the root of 2. So simplifying this further, we are going to have, now if you observe this expression, first the numerator, if you observe this numerator, you will understand that we have a common root between these two expressions, 2 root 2 and also 5 root 2. The common root between these two expressions is the root of 2. So also is the denominator. We have common factors, which is the root of 2, the root of 2. If you have such sort with addition or subtraction as the operation between the two expressions, what you are going to do is simple. You factor out the common factor, which in this case is the root of 2, into the bracket of 3 plus 5. What do we do here? We factor out the root of 2, which is the common factor between the two expressions, and we have the whole numbers adding up to each other, right? So we do the same thing to the denominator, which in this case we have the root of 2 into the bracket of, what do we have as a constant or whole number here? We have 2 minus, what do we have as a whole number here is 1. The root of 2 is the same thing as 1 root 2. Okay, so we have it to be 1. Simplifying this further, this implies that 3 plus 5 is going to give us 8, right? So we are going to have it to be the root of 2 multiplying 8 all over 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1, right? So we are going to have it to be 2, the root of 2 multiplying 1, which is the same thing as the root of 2 multiplying 8 will give us 8 root 2 all over 1 multiplying the root of 2 is the same thing as root 2. But we can still simplify further. Why? Because we have the root of 2 here and we have the root of 2 here, which can cancel each other, and we will be left with it as the final answer. So simplifying the surd, the root of 18 plus the root of 50 all over the root of 8 minus the root of 2 will give us the final answer to be 8. So that will be all for this video. Stay tuned and engage for the next one. Also remember that goal of this platform is to solve as many past questions as possible, just to help you overcome what I call math exam tension. So if you have any challenging question from this topic you would like me to help you solve, kindly drop them at the comment section. Reach out to me via email or DM and I'll be glad to assist. Thanks for watching and have a great day.